Have you ever seen a Ferris wheel in the sea? Come along and discover the history behind it. We are on the beach of The Hague, Scheveningen. When the pier was built in the early 20th century, Scheveningen was a luxurious beach with royal country residences. In this old aerial photo you can see that the pier was originally located in front of the beach's most famous hotel, the Kurhaus. Unfortunately, the original pier was demolished by the Germans in 1943 because the Allies could land here too easily. In 1961 the pier was rebuilt in a modern style, and a renovation in 1975 did justice to the 1901 original. A sun terrace and a lookout tower were also added, and the pier, twice as large, had become a tourist attraction with an entrance fee of 22 cents. After the festive reopening, the pier was a success, but in the 1980s and 1990s it was plagued by financial problems. However, the Ferris wheel, installed in 2016, turned out to be a hit and has quickly become an international sensation. This 50-meter high wheel is the only one above sea water in Europe. Nowadays, the pier is again a busy entertainment center. You can bungee jump from the observation tower, and there is plenty of other entertainment here. What would Queen Wilhelmina have thought if she knew that more than 100 years after its opening, the pier was still alive and kicking? Thanks for watching, and see you again in one of our next videos.